Hi friends, today's story is called My Daddy Snores, written by Nancy H. Rothstein, illustrated by Stephen Gilpin. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. So, she slept in the bathtub, but the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished, and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. So, Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. Ooh, no snoring zone. On Friday, Daddy Snore whistled like a teapot, so this time Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl, but even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds, then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. No one's getting any sleep except Daddy. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept. Until... Oh, I forgot this part. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. There we go. Until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks. I love more ice cream. The end. Interesting. Did you enjoy this story? Now, snoring is a real problem, and it's important to seek help for that. But sleep is also very important, right? As you could see, the mother in this story was having a very bad week, and she was very exhausted by the end of it, not getting as much sleep as she needed. Talking in your sleep is also something that people do, and it is kind of funny, especially when they ask for more ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this story. I'll see you again next time.